Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing your homework regularly. So students, in our last lecture we have discussed about nutrition in unicellular animals. And today we are going to discuss what nutrition in multicellular animals. First of all, multi means many, cellular means cell. So those animals whose body is made up of many cells are known as what? Multicellular animals. And today first of all we will discuss the nutrition in case of hydra. So students, hydra is what? An aquatic animal, and on the body of this hydra this structure is present that is known as what? Tentacles. And on these tentacles what is present? Sting cells. And with the help of these sting cells, tentacles do what? When any small aquatic animal reaches to the hydra, then with the help of these sting cells, tentacles just catches that insect, and after that that small aquatic animal reaches to the body cavity of the hydra through the mouth, and inside the body cavity the process of digestion take place, and after digestion food is absorbed and assimilated in the cells of the body. Okay, see, next we are having what? A spider. See, the spider traps first of all its prey where? In the streaky web that is woven by the spider, and after then spider just injects what? Digestive juices in the body of prey for digestion, and after then suck all the nutrients from the digested body of the prey. Okay, this is how the spider take its nutrition. After then we are having what? See, mosquito. See, mosquito is having what? A mouth part for the ingestion of the food, and we all know mosquito do what? It just sucks the blood of other organism with the help of this tube like mouth part. Okay, and next we are having what? House flies. House flies basically obtain their nutrition from the liquid food, and with the help of its saliva, first housefly do what? It dissolves the food and make it liquid, and after then suck that liquid food with the help of this feeding tube. After then digestion take place, then absorption and assimilation. Next we have to discuss the case of butterfly. Usually butterflies do what? They suck nectar from the flowers with the help of what? As you are seeing, a long tube like part that is known as what? Proboscis. So with the help of proboscis butterflies just intake their food. And next we are having what? Frogs. Frogs catching insects with the help of its long sticky tongue, and after then digest its food with the help of digestive juices, after then absorb it and then assimilate it. And last we have to discuss about what? Vertebrates. See, what? Vertebrates. Vertebrates are what, students? The organisms that are having a backbone like human beings, and in case of vertebrates they ingest their food with the help of mouth. Okay, now your homework is you have to just write what? The different modes of taking in food into the body by the following animals. frog, mosquitoes, housefly, spider, butterfly, hydra. And you have to send your worksheets positively to me. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.